Mortgage debt has piled up for many Canadians during the COVID-19 crisis, and now the nation's housing agency is warning many will struggle to keep up with their payments. For more on this, let's go to Business in Vancouver's Tyler Orton. Good morning, Tyler. So when is the situation expected to become more precarious?
Yeah, the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation is warning that as we go into the third and fourth quarters of the year, it's going to be a lot more dicey for many Canadian homeowners. The National Housing Agency says that 760,000 homeowners have skipped or deferred mortgage payments to an estimated $1 billion a month over the first 5 months of the year. Now, regulators here announced in March that deferrals would be treated as performing loans so banks can avoid an increase of credit risk. But this comes to an end on October 1st. And the CMHC says that once the 6-month deferral period ends, there's going to be a higher risk of mortgage delinquencies moving forward. So, as you say, very precarious situation for thousands of Canadian homeowners moving forward by the end of the year.
And Tyler, let's zero in on BC and the province's economic growth prospects now. They don't seem as good as experts thought. Why is that?
Yeah, it's interesting. The experts at RBC Economics, they say that BC is now facing a downgrade, and this comes the same day that the provincial government revealed it's facing a $12.8 billion budget deficit. Now, keep in mind, the deficit spending is mitigating what could be an even more pessimistic outlook for the economy. But if we break down the numbers, we see that RBC is now projecting a contraction of 5.6% through to the end of 2020. Compare that to when they were actually predicting a contraction of 4.2% as early as June. Now, the government of BC says that it is instead projecting a 7.6% contraction. Perhaps they just want to keep expectations low in case anything unexpected happens. But good news for 2021. RBC economists think that the economy is going to actually expand by 4.9%. That is good news. And the bank says its revised outlook for BC is coming amid greater than expected job losses and big declines in exports that we've experienced since the pandemic has unfolded. But it predicts that big capital-intensive projects like Site C Dam construction, LNG Canada development in Kitimat, and the Patello Bridge redevelopment, well, that's going to keep the economy humming through into 2021.
All right, good to know. Thanks very much for that. That's Business in Vancouver's Tyler Orton. Tyler, thank you.
Thank you, Neetu.